Hey, we're gonna make. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna make this video. We're about to watch something. There we go. See that a little bit, so it's not also good. Okay, we're gonna watch a video. It's called, what is it called? We wrote it down because we clicked on it and we watched like the first part, like a little part of it, and we were dying, so we stopped. We wrote it down so we can make a video for you. Okay. It's strange faces and noises I can make. 3. Alright, so here we go. It's so funny.
This guy's funny. Funny.
You should watch his videos.
Look at his face.
Oh no. The size of my head. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Can't stand it. He's like a lizard.
Fish.
He's a seal. What is wrong with this e-gag? What is wrong with this guy?
Is he constipated? I mean,
Okay, we're gonna watch another one. Just for you guys. You gotta watch his laugh.
This is 5.
It's contagious. Happiness.
This is
spreading
5.
around. Oh my god.
They're together.
Oh my god. He cut his hair. Look at him. Okay. It's even funnier in the second time. He reminds me of a dog. My stomach hurts. This guy is so lonely. I can't stand it.
I have a comment to make. It's not over till the fat person screams. 6. Poopy, poopy. Do you need to change your diapers then? What's wrong?
Oh my god.
He's like a dog on freaking steroids, jeez.
Oh my god. Oh my, is that a girl?
This guy.
Oh my, ew.
Here, we're
Oh
gonna
my
watch
god,
this
oh my
thing.
god, oh my god.
No. I'm scared of what I might see.
Let's just like giggle.
What impression I'm doing if anybody is just a foot just feels so perfectly with this face.
We're my face just seems so perfect with this face. Lag. Okay, I gotta show you this video, guys. Okay, we're gonna show you. Hold on.
Strange faces and noises I can make.
Okay,
Make
so
sure
watch
you
this.
look that guy up. He will make you die. He looks like that. You know.
Yeah. Okay.
You
Ready?
good?
Ready?
I'll get you, get it, next time.
It's scary.
I'm trying not to laugh so I can take it, and then like in most of his videos, hold on a second. In most of his videos, he'll like gag or something. It is so disgusting. It's not even he'll be like, what? Hey, hey, hey.
This voice just goes so perfectly with this face. he was like.
Okay, here. Here's one. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's feeling it.
Okay, we can't watch anymore. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh my gosh, 6 minutes.